Hello friends, this video on Matter and Magnetism Part 8 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till Part 7 before going ahead with Part 8. Let us look at the next problem. If the magnetic field is parallel to the positive y-axis, okay, let us say this is positive y-axis and magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis and the charged particle is moving along positive x-axis. So let us suppose this is a okay. Another convention which we follow everywhere is whenever you have a cross, that means that the magnetic field is acting downwards. Downwards means it is perpendicular to the plane of your screen or the plane of the paper and it is acting downwards. Whenever I denote it with a dot, that means the magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and it is acting upwards. Right? That is the convention which we follow everywhere. So here it says that the magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis. Parallel in the sense the magnetic field is either acting downwards or acting upward because it has to be perpendicular to the plane. As I told you before also that magnetic field and velocity of the particle, they cross product of velocity and magnetic field means that they are in a one plane. So when it says that magnetic field is parallel to y-axis, that means it is parallel to this y-axis and along y-axis it is towards downwards. That means it is downwards when compared to the plane of the paper and the charged particle is moving along the positive x-axis. So this is how your charged particle is moving. It is moving along the x-axis. So which way the Lorentz force would be for a negative charge and for a positive charge? So now we will first calculate it for a negative charge, right? So let us first calculate it for a negative charge. So what would the Lorentz force be for a negative charge? We know that Lorentz force will be given by Q into V cross B. So your V cross B will basically determine the direction. So now let us first consider a positive charge. So for a positive charge, you apply right hand rule. So what is happening here? Your velocity is in this direction. So this is the direction of your velocity, right? And your magnetic field is going down towards this y-axis. That means y-axis is the axis which is going downwards. That is, it is going backward, right? That is how is your y-axis. And imagine it in 3 dimensions. So how will your velocity move? Your velocity will become, first it is going, take all your fingers towards right and then from right it is going downwards. So when it is going downwards, where is your thumb pointing? So it is first going towards right and then it is going downwards. So your thumb is pointing towards the z-axis. So that means your force will be towards positive z-axis. Now when you consider a negative charge particle, now if you consider negative charge particle, the direction will reverse. So your direction will become negative z-axis. Because in case of a positive particle moving along positive x-axis is equivalent to a negative particle negatively charged particle moving along negative x-axis. So if it is moving along negative x-axis, you can try that also. For a negative particle, let us suppose the velocity is in this direction. So in this case, what would be the direction of the magnetic force? Take all the 4 fingers towards the direction of velocity and from there it is going down. So your thumb will point downwards this time, right? Because you take all your 4 fingers towards left and then direct it downwards. So your thumb will point towards downwards, that is towards negative z-axis, right? Okay. So because in this case how it is, you take all your fingers in this direction and then your thumb goes down, right? And for case of a negative particle, you take all your fingers, the 4 fingers comes in this direction and then the fingers will roll like this. So your fingers will roll like this. So your thumb will be downwards. So try to visualize it like this. You take all your 4 fingers like this, roll the fingers like this, and your thumb is downwards. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.